Hello everyone, welcome back. If your WhatsApp making a duplicate photos on your iPhone after or before iOS update, then do the following step to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, connect to the Wi-Fi or cellular or mobile data and tap and hold the App Store. Now tap on updates and check the list is there is any update available for WhatsApp. Then update the WhatsApp app first. After update, launch the WhatsApp. And tap on settings. Here we are going to tap on chats and turn off save to camera roll. Now force close all the app that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone according to your iPhone model. After force restart, your problem will be solved. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.